Welcome to our channel, where we help you stay connected and up to date with the latest tech tips and tricks. Today, we're going to show you how to turn on call notifications on WhatsApp Web on your PC, ensuring you never miss an important call again. To get started, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface that mirrors the mobile app. Now, let's dive into the settings to enable call notifications. On the left side menu, you'll find a gear icon. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. This is where you can customize various options to enhance your WhatsApp experience. Once in the settings, click on the Notifications tab. Here, you'll find options to manage how you receive notifications for messages and calls. To ensure you get notified about incoming calls, make sure to check the box next to incoming sounds. This will enable sound notifications for calls, so you'll hear a ringtone when someone is calling you. By enabling this feature, you'll stay connected and can respond promptly to incoming calls, even when you're working on your PC. It's especially useful if you use WhatsApp for both personal and professional communication. If you're having trouble with notifications, ensure that your browser allows WhatsApp Web to send notifications. You can do this by clicking on the lock icon next to the web address and selecting Allow for Notifications. That's it. You've successfully turned on call notifications for WhatsApp Web on your PC. Now, you can enjoy seamless communication without worrying about missing important calls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps on your PC. We're always here to help you stay updated with the latest tech updates and solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.